Productions.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's your girl Moika, and I'm coming back at you with another review. You guys already know when I'm here alone, it's a review. Okay, so today I'm going to talk to you guys about this hair. This hair is very beautiful. So without further ado, we're just going to dive into the video. I'm going to do a voiceover and talk to you guys a little more about this wig, because this wig is very special. You guys, you still see, like, you need to check this video if you want something nice, something not too expensive, and something easy to style. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm coming with another hair from Hairvivi. So you know Hairvivi always come with some new lace, new wigs, and it's amazing how they are improving every single day. So they have been very nice to send me this gorgeous body wave lace front wig, and this is from their new wig. So basically this wig comes bleach, pre-bleaches, it comes pre-plug, it comes with a fake scalp. Anyway, you guys will see everything in this video. Like, this wig is so natural looking. You don't have to do anything. You don't even have to wear a weaving cap underneath it. You don't even have to have cornrows underneath your wig, because the lace of this wig is so tiny that it doesn't make your head look big like other type of wigs. So as you guys can see from here, you can see that the wig have been worked. The bleach, the knots are invisible. You cannot see anything. Look how natural this is. So this is what they put underneath it. They create like a fake scalp, so like that you don't have to wear a weaving cap, or you don't even have to bleach the knots or thin the lace or do all the extra stuff. Plus it comes with an adjustable strap and an elastic band, adjustable, so you can always put it tighter or looser, and there's combs in the back too. So this is how the wigs will look, or the wig will look once it's on the blockhead. So you guys can clearly see that this wig has been plucked and worked beautifully. It's amazing. Plus there's already a pre-made parting space, so you don't have to go ahead and struggle to create your own. So what I'm going to do now is just install this wig on, style it, and give you guys my final thought about this wig. So I'm just going to let you guys go with the flow, and I'll see you guys at the end.
Real Life Living Productions. Real Life Living Productions.
Alright, so yeah, this is how the hair looks like. Like I said, I didn't put a cap, I didn't braid my hair. Like, my hair are just put like that. Didn't bleach the knot, didn't pluck, like, and it was very easy to style. I mean, this hair is just beautiful. You guys need to try it on. So all of the information of this will be listed down below if you guys would like to purchase it and try it yourself. I'll tell you, like, you guys are gonna love it. They have different styles, they have different textures, so you just go ahead and follow them and see what they offer. You can also check other reviews on them. Sorry, I'm just playing along with the hair. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one, because this is how we do, and we do it for you guys.